Yo, what's up, fam squad? It's me, Meme Supreme 94. Today I'm gonna be showing off some of my sick fidget spinner tricks. So this first one that I want to call is called the Mega Spin. So you just go. I messed that up. Hold up. The Mega Spin. I think you get the point of it by now. That's one of the hardest tricks that I've ever had to try, and it was one of the ones that took me hours upon hours to master, and I like to think that I'm actually pretty good at it now. So this next trick that I want to show you is called the fidget transfer. So you give it a little spin, and then you slowly transfer it to your other hand. It's just that easy. So this next one that I want to show you is called the Fidget Spinner Transfer Deluxe Plus. So what you do is you spin it, right? Oh, that's a good spin there. Make sure it's level on your finger. And you just fucking... Okay, let's try that one again. This one's really hard. Fuck. Alright. So you gotta... Fidget Spinner Deluxe Transfer Plus. Alright, so this last one. This one took me years to get. This one's called the Table Spinner Master 99. As opposed to the Table Spinner 98. That one's not as good. So what you do is you take your fidget spinner, instead of using it like a normal spinner, you put it onto the table, you give it just a little, and that'll please all of your fidgeting needs. So I thank you for watching. If you want to subscribe,